The MGZS key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To open it, you'll need a small flat tool like a screwdriver or even a key. Gently pry apart the two halves of the plastic casing. Start at the point where the key ring attaches. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid scratching or damaging the plastic. Some models might have a small screw that needs to be removed first, so inspect your fob closely. Wearing gloves can prevent transferring oils to the circuit board. Static electricity can also damage the circuit, so ground yourself if possible before you begin. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Carefully remove the old battery and replace it with a new CR2032. Ensure the new battery is from a reputable brand for best performance and longevity. Align the fob's two halves and gently press them back together until they click securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your car. The LED indicator should light up. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the fob is properly closed. Incorrect battery placement or a poorly sealed fob can cause malfunctions. Dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center.